G Vrangshe, Harry Eran Gadin Shot, in you an Shaktu law is Fehe Dvianer, Govila is a Fehe Hen. So Togi Mak, we're not Berlum Rish, Agus Ostligi and Lower Erlahnok Shaskashe, page 66. Okay, first we're going to look at the Cómhrá today. Before we do that, we're going to look at some of the vocabulary we have in this Cómhrá. And the question is asked, what lehen dena dul ag shoppadort in Éadaí? Would anybody like to go shopping in Éadaí with me? Cínte Jarfa, definitely, absolutely. Tá something ag tastal uam, I need something, or I want something. Feach look at. Okay. Tá something gohalin or go jazz. Oh, tá anguna co fashionta, it's so fashionable. Tá na butashi ní sira, which is cheaper. Anytime you see nís, you know it's going to be an ER ending word. Or nís thira, which is dearer. Tá an hudi sajilakon. And another word we had yesterday was na sladwargi, the sales, but gilakon is the same thing. Ooh, Capum ganirin she ditch. I think Capum amshaloric ganirin she ditch that it suits you. And if we look at the purple or pink words here, we've hoodie, ganzi, tilena, lena, guna, collie sport, which is a tracksuit, breech the gaina, which are jeans, litjoga, tights or leggings, I suppose, ritjoga, which are tights, spekli grania, brogaraha, agus butashi. So just to litjoga or leggings, ritjoga, tights. Okay. Now, here we have nahudiha, the plural. In the Buski Arashta, we have nahudiha, which are hoodies, naganziha, jumpers, natilenta, t-shirts, nalencha, shirts, naguni, dresses, nakultuka sporch, which are, tracksuits. And then we have nadahana, but we know all those dahana, don't we? Kirker purple, you know all those. Now, so eistagi lesh an Cómhrá seo. And which of it? We'll listen.
Tá Éadaí nua tasta uam. Wala hain den a dogadi an siopa Éadaí nua an Éadaí.
Cínte Jarfa, is even lumdulig siopa dort.
Misha freshen. Hula may who won the broger raha on house.
Bei Misha live freshen.
Agus Misha. Hey, faker an hoodie shop. Tá sé go hálinn fad.
Oh, Stephen LeMay, ach tá an húdaí seo ní sira.
Tá sé go jazz, ach bear lom an cean glas.
Ceapan go níorann sé dit, cur é.
Oh fair, tá na tílénta seo stílachan. Cheannaí me Éadaí de gach sort, níl pinging rua fach agam.
Ná a gumsa. Hey, cáin a bucalaí.
Fós, ag fecint féin go sásta sa scáhan.
Mars gnáth.
Okay, so Arish, we'll go through it and I'll just talk you through the different parts, okay?
Tá Éadaí nua ag tasta uam.
So I need new clothes, I want new clothes. Tá Éadaí nua ag tastal uam.
Wala hain den a dogadi an siopa Éadaí nua an Éadaí.
Would anybody like to come to the new Siopa Éadaí with me in Éadaí?
Cínte Jarfa.
Definitely.
Even lumdulig siopa dort.
Magda loves shopping.
Misha freshen. Hula may who won the broger raha on house.
So, me too. I heard that the Brogaraha are house. Excellent.
Misha live freshen.
Agus
Gee,
Misha.
that guy. Listen to that guy's voice again.
Bei Misha live freshen.
Agus Misha.
Oh, he's got the most boring voice ever. Is that Liam or Dahi? Okay. Agus Misha says Dahi or Liam.
Hey, faker an hoodie shop. Tá sé go hálinn fad.
Hey, look at this hoodie. Tasha Gahalin. It's beautiful.
Oh, Stephen LeMay.
Oh, I love
ach tá
it.
an húdaí seo ní sira.
Acton hoodie shot ni sira. This one's cheaper.
Tá sé go jazz, ach bear lom an cean glas.
It's nice. Ac biarlam, I prefer an Cian Glass, the green one.
Ceapan go níorann sé dit,
I think it
cur
suits you.
é.
Put it on you.
Oh fair.
Oh, look.
Tá na tílénta seo stílachan.
Tom the T-Lencha, the t-shirts are Sadilacon. The sale.
Cheannaí me Éadaí de gach sort.
Then at the
Níl
end,
pinging
Schiefer says, Canny me AD de gas sort. I bought every sort of clothes, okay? Neil Pingen Rua Fog Agam. So she hasn't got a red penny left, which basically means she broke.
rua fach agam.
Not a gumsa.
Me neither, says Magda.
Hey,
Hey,
how on a
where are the
bugle?
boys?
Fós, ag fecinn féin go sásta sa scáhan.
Still looking at themselves in the mirror. Fós ag fécinn tar who féin go sásta sa scáhan.
Mars ganach.
As usual. Ooh, that's a burn by Magda. Ooh. Anyway, excellent. Now we're going to go to the bottom of the page, okay? And if you look here, we need to finish these sentences. Tá something ag tastal uam. I need something, okay? So, an Tulwarga, the supermarket. An Siopa Lower, bookshop. Siopa Éadaí is Éasca. Siopa Ciol, music shop. Agus an Siopa Electronica, the electrical shop, okay? Like Fletcher's or somewhere, okay? Now, anyway, Iver Hen, Mamo says, Tá Lower ag tastal uam. I need a book. Erwa le hen den a dulgaji an Siopa Lower in Éanachlum. Would anybody like to come to the Shopper Lower in Éanachlum with me? Iver though, Schaefer says, Tá guitar nua ag tastal uam. Wat le hen den a dulgaji in Éanachlum. I'm sure you can figure that out. Iver 3, Tá brish de gena ag tastal uam. He needs jeans, does Shawnee. And now look here. Wat le hen den a dulgaji an Siopa Éadaí in Éanachlum. So each time, guys, they're leaving out words. But if you look at the very first sentence, the one with Mamo, you'll be able to figure out the correct format or the correct template. Tá Lower ag tastal uam. Wat le hen den a dulgaji, whatever shop it is, in Éanachlum. I don't want you writing this out, okay? You're doing enough writing. What I want is, again, you to leave a voice note, and I really want this now, okay? I don't want to have to chase you up. I want you to leave a voice note on Seesaw, just reading out what these sentences should be. So, for example, for number 4, you'll go, okay, well, that's Daddy, isn't it? Tá phone póca nua ag tastal uam. Wat le hen dina dulgaji an in Éanachlum. Okay, Iver Cuig, we have Mommy. Tá glasri agus turhi ura, and you need to finish a lot of this, ag tastal uam. Wat le hen dina dulgaji, whatever shop in Éanachlum. Okay, so orally you're going to do this, you're going to leave your voice note, but looking at number 1 the whole time. The only thing that's going to change is, well, Lower and the Siopa Lower. Okay, whatever it is that they're looking for, and they're going to. So he needs a guitar here, or she needs a guitar, so she's going to be going to the Siopa Ciol. He needs Brish the Gena, he's going to be going to the Siopa Éadaí. He needs a phone polka, so he's going to be going to the electrical shop on Siopa Electronica. She needs Glasry agus 30, so she'll be going to an Tulwarga. But we need to say the whole sentence. Tá Lower ag tastal uam. Wat le hen den a dulgaji an Siopa Lower in Éanachlum. Is that Carrot Glory, guys? Just a voice note, just a voice recording. It'll be much quicker than having to write it down. Okay, so concentrate now and make a good job of that. Agus sinne, any problems, Kirkesh Sturm, okay? Ask me or get in touch with me and we'll work through it, Lakayla. Gur Malgiv, Slán go fóill.